welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kayla Lashae, and today I'm going to be sharing my wash day hair routine. I'm obsessed with my hair company hair extensions, so it's super important for me to take good care of my hair. So I thought this would be the perfect time to show you guys what products I use and how I maintain the good health of my extensions. So I'm going to go in with a shampoo, but the trick here is to add peppermint essential oil. I find that this is extremely soothing and calming to the scalp, especially when you have a braided sew-in. It really just helps to alleviate any sort of itching. So I love using peppermint oil. I'm also going to go in with my conditioner. Again, feel free to use whatever products you guys like. These are just a few of my favorites, so I'll be sure to leave everything linked in the down bar. So once I've applied my conditioner, it's super important to go in with a wide tooth comb to comb out my hair and detangle it. Fresh out the shower, you guys. So I'm just gonna take my towel and towel dry the ends of my extensions. Now I love this hair so much. I ended up getting 3 different bundles in 3 different sizes. They do offer bundle deals. So I decided to go with the Brazilian Body Wave in 24 inches, 22 inches, and then 20 inches. I also have a closure as well, since this is a full braided sew-in, and that I believe is 14 inches. So make sure you guys check out the down bar for all of the info on the hair because I love it so much. So once I've towel dried the extensions, I'm just going to detangle it one more time, and then I'm going to go in with a leave-in conditioning spray. This is something that I like to use to hydrate the hair. You definitely want to treat it like your own hair and use similar products that you would use normally. So I find that this is a great lightweight product that really keeps the hair hydrated and moisturized. So I'm also going to apply this around the perimeter of my hair where I have a little bit of leave out, just to moisturize my own hair underneath. So that's pretty much all I do when it comes down to cleansing my hair. I also do oil my scalp as well, but I forgot to film that. So just use your favorite oil and really make sure that you get in between your braids so that your scalp is nice and moisturized. So now that this is over, we're gonna move into my bedroom so we can go ahead and dry our hair. This is key, you guys. You don't ever want to just wash your hair and then leave it as it is, because your braids will start to dread over time. They can start to smell, mildew could build up, and it's just not healthy. So it's super important to go in and really dry your hair. So I find that this little compact dryer, it's like a cap dryer, works very well with my braided sew-ins. Patience is key here because you want to make sure that your hair is super dry, not just your extensions, but your braids underneath. So I sit here for 3 hours, yes, 3 hours. So this is the time where I work on content, I'm editing, doing emails, listening to music, doing what I can to pass the time by, because you really want to make sure that your hair is 100% dry. And also too, I just use a towel over my neck because the dryer can get pretty hot, so you definitely don't want to burn yourself. So 3 hours later, this is what my hair is looking like. You can really see the natural pattern of the body wave, which I think is actually really beautiful. So from here, you can kind of leave it a little bit more damp on the extensions, but just make sure that your braids underneath are dry. But today, I really wanted to go ahead and style this hair for you guys and curl it with a curling wand. So I've just gone and brushed out my hair so it's a little fluffy right now. And I'm just going to go ahead and section off my hair into 2 sections with a clip and start by curling on one side at a time. So I'm going to be detangling my extensions from the bottom, working my way up, and make sure that you're very gentle when you brush out your closure because you don't want to damage the lace. So now I just went ahead and sprayed in my heat protectant. Again, these products will be in the down bar. And I'm just going to make sure that my sections are about 1 inch or so. This could just vary on the size and the tightness of the curls that you guys like. Sometimes I will do a looser curl by making a bigger section, or a tighter curl by doing smaller sections. So the trick is to let the curl cool in your hand before you go ahead and drop it. This way it will last much longer throughout the day. But I find that the body wave just holds a curl so well, which is awesome because these curls will last for a few days. That's one of my favorite things about ordering like a body wave texture, is I can curl it, I can straighten it, whereas with the straight texture, it doesn't really hold a curl that well. It tends to fall very quickly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat these steps all over my head. Also make sure that when you're curling your hair, you are curling it away from your face. And I just wanted to show you dolls a little comparison of the curled side with the natural air dried side. You can still see that it has a nice little bit of a wave to it, but the curled side is of course a little bit more polished. So now that I've sped this up and I've completed all of my curls, you guys are fully able to see the capability of this beautiful hair. So thank you so much to her hair company for collaborating with me on today's video. I definitely wanted to show you guys how I care for my extensions for those of you that would like to get extensions but you don't really know if you are ready for the maintenance. So don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Check out everything in the down bar for everything mentioned, and I will see you dolls next time.